This evening we've got our annual Christmas event, which we hold every year, where we invite regular customers and old and new, and they come in for the evening. We've offered complimentary spa passes, which has gone really well. That's the first time we've done that this year. We offer nibbles, prosecco, Christmas cake, Christmas biscuits. The team are very excited. They're very excited because of our new launch on our skincare products. It's something very, very new. I found this company about 12 months ago, so I've been sort of working slowly with it, trying to bring it into the spa because I absolutely fell in love with it. And it's been buzzing, right from 4 o'clock. We've had lots of people coming in, showing so much interest by using the testers. People have fallen in love with it, and yeah, it's great. We're really pleased.
So behind me we have our annual Christmas party. We can call it annual now because it's our second year. And we've got all our people from all our referral classes and our wellbeing classes and our walking football. And they've all come to have Christmas dinner together and be entertained. And then we're going to do some rock and roll bingo as well. So it's been about 6 months in the preparation. Because people were asking me about it from about June after last year. So we've been building up over the months. Yeah, and then everybody, all the teams just turned up today, laid the table, got everything sorted, and the cafe are doing a wonderful job feeding everyone today. So the benefit of putting on something like this is just amazing because it keeps people coming to the classes because they make friends and then they're planning to come to this event together. And there's also the social part of just making friends today and seeing people in a different light. So they might train together in classes, but then they're seeing each other today in their Christmas jumpers with their party hats on and just having the best time. So it helps with the engagement and just keep the classes full. So it's fantastic.
Okay, so we're I think about 2/3 of the way through the development. It's really exciting. So we had MAL funding to completely redevelop the library. Everything's really starting to happen, the new ceiling's going in. It looks really open and bright straight away as soon as you walk in. So it's going to be a more flexible space. All new carpet, which is going to be a lighter colour. All the paintwork's going to be a lot lighter. It's going to be really open with lots of low shelving so you can see the space, and the shelving will be able to move so we can do lots of activities and events. The children's area is going to be over in the far corner, and there's going to be an amazing stage. It's going to be really magical for the kids with the reading nook and everything. We've been able to have a temporary set up in the leisure centre, which I think people quite like. It's a little bit different. People are still coming through, but it looks really nice in the leisure centre. You see it as you go in, so people still know we're around. We might not have as many books, but we're still there so people can come in and see us.
It's very crowded. We get to see new faces, new people, and we get to enroll them to the library. And we really enjoy working with all the leisure centre staff. They're adorable. We are all definitely looking forward to going back to the main library to have everything nice, fresh and new, because I think our customers deserve it and they will really appreciate the change.
Friendly sit sweetie, Barda, friendly sit sweetie, Barda, friendly sit sweetie, Diane Dio. Very good.
Something that we've been building and working on over probably the last 18 months or so. More so from festivals when they come over through some of the links that they've got through sports development. We started to build a relationship with the teachers and realised that as far as some of the other schools go, they don't get as many opportunities as what some other schools have, mainly because it's in a deprived area. So it was just about offering the opportunity for the kids to come over, take part in some of the leisure activities, the library's activities, and around the health and well-being really. So we've introduced them to not only the sports such as the skate park, dodgeball, football, ice skating, but we've brought them into the library, we've made them members, they've come and got books, they've done book clubs, they've told us what their favourite things is, and loads of different activities, and the link between the leisure and library has gone really well.
Yes, I love this movie. This is my favourite movie.
It's the ones that we really like to smack children over the head with. What? Anybody got any ideas? Yes.
We brought museums with Sophie, they brought some toys in and they brought their own childhood toys and they compared the two. And then we've tried them around the Ledge Centre, like I said, football, dodgeball, multi-sports, ice skating, skate park. We've put the offer out to the school that we're here whenever we can be for them and whenever they want us. So yeah, I mean, over the last 18 months or so, they've had a football kit bought for them. We've made them members of the library. They've tried new stuff. Like I said, the links work really well. The combination of the kids coming into the library, I think they got more excited coming into the library, to be fair, than they were running around playing football and dodgeball. So it's good to see, and they want a book every week, which is great.
Way to get the children involved in stories and rhymes, so it's an All Wales initiative. We've got some stickers and certificates to give out at the end of the Big Welsh Rhyme Time. We're going to go for it this year. We'll print lists out, song lists out for the parents so they can join in as well, and it's showing that they can be done, and it gives the parents a bit of encouragement. And see the way they smile when you do the songs and they interact with you,
and seeing them progress each week as well. Like at the start they'll be really shy, and then a few months down the line they'll be able to like come up to you.
Sitting on your knee or sitting next to you. Because we usually do the rhyme time separately, so there's room on the sofa for 4 or 5 of them to squash on. Yeah.